Hey boys and girls, so today for your Wednesday homework, you are going to write your paragraph. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull up your Jamboard, the organizing, expanding, and writing Jamboard, the one that we have been working on, and you should have all these slides filled out. Your topic sentence, your facts, and your concluding sentence. Remember, this was your homework on Tuesday. So what you're going to do today is you're going to open up a blank page. It should be the ninth slide out of 9. And you're going to be writing on this blank page. What you're going to do is you're going to go over here to the text box, and you're going to open up a text box. If you want, you can expand it. So as you type, it fills up this page. What I want you to do for today is I want you to go to your introduction sentence or your topic sentence. Yes, so you're going to go to your topic sentence, and you can copy and paste, or you can rewrite it on this page. Then you're going to write all your facts in order after the topic sentence. Then you're going to add your concluding sentence. So this is the order that you should be writing. You can have your topic sentence, and then you're going to add all your supporting details. Then you're going to have a concluding sentence or your conclusion. I should see a paragraph on this page, on page 9. Remember, at the end of each sentence, you need a period or punctuation. And what do we do at the beginning of a sentence? You need to capitalize the first letter. So hopefully on this page, I get to see your paragraph.